Hello everybody, this is JDB. In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix the SoundCloud pausing in the app. There is two ways to fix this. One, if you go on the app itself on SoundCloud. This is only a temporary fix, but if you restart it and sign out and update it, it might fix it for a little bit. But recently, last 5 months, this app will pause every 2 minutes unless they fixed it already. They'll pause within, like I said, 2 minutes or 5 minutes and then restart the track. So what you do is you don't use the SoundCloud app. You go back to your home page on your phone, go to your browser, which I use Chrome, and sign in to SoundCloud.com on the browser and play your track, and it doesn't pause. Now, this works for me for the last 5 or 6 months since this issue has started. On the browser, yeah, it might be a little glitchy at times, but it doesn't pause. It fixes it. You can play any kind of track you want, and it'll work. And that's one way to do it. Another way, like I said, if the browser doesn't work either, you can try a different browser like Firefox or Brave or the other ones. Now, I don't know if this works on Apple devices. I haven't tried it. But if you're using a browser, I think it should work fine. So if you have any questions, please put in the comments and have a great day.